In recent football news reported by the BBC, the football regulator has contacted West Ham United following serious allegations involving the club's co-owner, David Sullivan. The situation has drawn significant attention across English football, as it involves questions about governance and conduct at the ownership level of a major Premier League club. The allegations are described as serious and are believed to relate to concerns about past behavior and decision-making linked to Sullivan's role at the club. While full details have not been publicly confirmed, the matter is being treated with importance by football authorities due to its potential impact on the integrity of the game and club ownership standards. Following these developments, the football regulator is reviewing whether David Sullivan continues to meet the required fit and proper person test, which is a key condition for anyone owning or controlling a football club in England. This process is designed to ensure that club owners are suitable to hold such influential positions in professional football. David Sullivan has strongly denied all allegations made against him. He has stated that the claims are false and damaging, and he has expressed dissatisfaction with how the situation has been reported in the media. His response indicates that he intends to defend his reputation as the investigation continues. Despite the ongoing controversy, West Ham United continues its normal football operations. However, the situation has created uncertainty around the club's leadership, raising questions among supporters and observers about possible future changes in ownership or governance. At this stage, no formal charges or legal conclusions have been made, and the investigation remains ongoing. Football authorities are expected to continue examining the matter carefully before reaching any final decision.